What's up, YouTubers? I'm back with another video. This time got an Aurora to show you, and this time it was no mistake. China Grabber sent it to me to go ahead and make a video. See there, it came from Hong Kong. So we're gonna open this bad boy up together. Let's check this thing out. Check it out. Novo 7 Aurora. IPS screen. .4 ice cream sandwich. 216p HDMI. 1 GB RAM. Camera, mini-core A10 processor, and I guess the biggest difference between this one and the ELF is the IPS touchscreen, which is exactly what the iPad 2 has. Oh wow, check that out, guys. 16 GB. Didn't even know they had it in that size. Let's open it up. A little different than the Novo 7 box. Well, the frame's different. Feels a little thinner actually than the ELF. It's got a glossy finish. This is really nice. Headphone, mini, USB, HDMI, mic, TF card slot, and that's where the charger goes. Let's fire it up. Well, controls are a little different. It's got volume up and down here. This thing feels real nice. Check out the apps that it comes with. Looks like there's no Android market on this one either, but there are other alternate markets where you can use what I've been doing with the ELF myself. And it looks like it's in Chinese. They usually come in Chinese. You can change that. Go into the settings. It's this one. Oh, that's not it. I think it might be here. Yep, there it goes. So these are all the language it supports. English, US. There it is, it's in English now. And actually, you might want to do the keyboard. Let's see where that one is. I'm sorry, it was already there. There it is. English. Well, hopefully that helps you guys out when you get it. Let's see what files it comes with. Oh, same video as the ELF. Like great high definition.
Alright, here we go.
Stand by, Marisa.
Let's try out Fruit Ninja. Oops. This thing's pretty fast. Oop. Oop. Got it. Anyway, you can check it out. It's pretty responsive. Let's quit this guy. Anyway, this thing is really nice. Nice frame. I think it's a little thinner than the ELF. Let's check out the accessories that it comes with. So, HDMI cable, there it is. It's got the, I believe this is the OGT, it's got the, converts the mini USB to the standard size USB, so you can plug in a flash drive, mouse, or keyboard. Manual. It's in Chinese, but oh well. And we've got the USB cable and I believe the headphones. Yep.